Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to earn on Binance P2P. All right, so first up, you need to make sure, that you are first a verified P2P merchant. So how do we do that? So go ahead over to trade right here and just click on P2P. Now at the top right, we have user center, or hover over more right here and just click on payment methods. Okay, now go ahead and click on become a merchant at the top. Okay. Just make sure that your email is verified, SMS is verified, and KYC as well. So just click on become a merchant. And in here, under verified merchant, just click on check requirements. Now scroll up, wait for your progress to load, and make sure that you enable or completed the advanced identity verification, and you have at least 1,000 USD that is available in your funding account. Okay. Verify and deposit, and once that's done, apply now. So once that's confirmed by Binance, what you're going to do next is just basically post ads specifying your preferred price, payment methods, and trading limits. So the benefit of becoming a P2P merchant is that you could also apply to be a cash merchant to offer cash-based or face-to-face trading options. Okay, you can go ahead and click on cash merchant right here, pro merchant, block merchant, whatever you want. Okay. Just click on apply now right here. Now, if you want to talk about arbitrage, let's go ahead over to P2P right here. So what you got to do is just buy low and sell high. For example, you bought something, usually at the very top, which is the lowest price possible. Okay, for example, you bought this one for 0.999 cents. Buy, then you go ahead and sell this one to what? Okay, just do keep in mind that you have a ton of competitors right here. You can go ahead and sell this one for maybe the same price right here, just like with crypto art. You can match the price. If someone clicks on your ad, well, congratulations. Okay, you could also add in more, of course, payment methods. As adding just one payment method, well, you know what will happen. A ton of people might not be using this specific bank. Okay, so more option, more sales. Okay, by the way, once you are a verified merchant, you'll be able to post ads. Okay, just like this one, it says promoted ad. You'll have that option or feature right here under your P2P section. So just basically increase your transaction volume to maximize daily profits, respond quickly to orders to build trust and increase your merchant ranking, and also monitor rates. Okay, constantly check the latest P2P rates to set competitive price. That is it. That is how you earn on Binance P2P. Buy low, sell high. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.